Hey everybody, Dan here with the Wealth Instinct. I wanted to share with you my latest article, The 5 Biggest Benefits of Affiliate Marketing. But first, if you could do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, that way you'll get notifications when I put in new content. I write a lot of articles about online business and also personal development and strategies and tips for business. So you've probably been looking into online business and maybe even considered affiliate marketing. So I wanted to just share some of the what I think are the top benefits. And the first is the high earning potential. So, you know, not all businesses are created equal in terms of their earning potential. And affiliate marketing, I think, is pretty special in that you can scale the business to whatever level you want, right? You can start small on your own and scale it up to whatever level you want, which is pretty cool. And I think you can it has an ability to scale um, more so than some other businesses, which makes it pretty unique. Being your own boss. So anyone who starts their own business, I think, is probably has some interest in being their own boss. With affiliate marketing, there's a little bit more flexibility, you, because you get to set your own schedule, right? You don't have specific business hours, so that's really cool. You can work on your own schedule. You can also choose the type of work you want to do. Like most affiliate marketers are either going to blog or do YouTube and social media, some combination of the two. They'll do some organic traffic, they'll do some paid ads, but you get to really choose. You get a lot of freedom into the niche you choose. You get freedom into the type of content you create. You get a lot of freedom in how you want to connect with your audience and build your audience. You have a lot of freedom in how you want to get traffic. If you want to focus on organic traffic, if you want to focus on paid traffic, if you want to trap, different platforms. So there's just a lot of freedom in affiliate marketing and in being your own boss. So that's a pretty cool benefit to me. And then becoming an expert in your niche. I think this is one of the best benefits, really. I have it as number 3, but you can start off knowing nothing about whatever it is you want to, whatever niche you want to have. And just through the process of running the business, you're going to become an expert, right? Because you're basically going to be researching your niche, whatever it is, if it's, health and nutrition, if it's fashion, if it's could be an automotive or pet related or online business, whatever it is you want to focus on, you're going to become an expert because you're going to be doing research and creating content. And if you do that long enough, consistently, pretty quickly you'll become an expert in your niche. And I think that's just, being an expert is just really valuable, because then people are going to come to you for information. You're going to have more authority. You're going to be able to steer people in the right direction more effectively. So that's just a really cool one I'm really excited about when I choose a niche to pursue. You can choose which products to promote. So and obviously there's other businesses where you can choose the product. This is kind of the best of both worlds because you don't have to create products, but you get to choose. There's some businesses where you might go with a franchise model where you have to promote only their products or things like that. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is as long as there's an affiliate program, you can choose whichever products you want. And so you can pick products that you're excited about, that you like, that you believe in, that you've used, that you've tested. And it's just it gives you a lot of freedom, again, which I think is really cool because you can, it's a lot of people I know say they can sell anything as long as they believe in the product. Well, here you get to choose to sell or promote products that you really believe in. So that's a really cool benefit. The other really cool thing I wanted to share today is leveraging automated tools. So any online business obviously can leverage automated tools, and it's not totally unique to affiliate marketing. But what's really cool and allows you to be more effective with your time and grow a bigger business using less of your time is the fact that there are so many automated tools, like email autoresponders and automated marketing tools, and you're able to just have such a broad reach. And it can take some time. There's a little bit of a learning curve in learning these tools. They're not difficult, but it's just getting everything set up, connecting the different accounts, getting your funnels, your autoresponders, everything, your website, your blog, your YouTube channel. All that stuff takes some time, but it's not difficult. It's definitely something you can do. And then once you get it set up, then it's just a matter of being consistent and creating content and getting traffic to your offers. So that's a really cool benefit too. So how to get started, right? I really think this is a great business model, and if you've been thinking about it, and if you're serious about it, you're probably going to want to find a program that not only teaches you about it, but also walks you through the step-by-step process. You don't want something that's too theoretical. You want something that's very practical, right? So that actually shows you how to set up a YouTube channel, how to optimize it, how to set up your funnels, and how to connect to your autoresponder. Like, you want someone to teach you about it, the big picture, but also show you the very specific kind of over-the-shoulder type of training where you see exactly what it is you need to do and how to do it. And the best program I've found for that is the Entre Institute, founded by Jeff Lerner. You can click this link here, and there's a video by him where he kind of talks about his story and the Institute. And then he has kind of an introductory program, which is very reasonable. And it's really going to give you a lot of perspective and help you understand kind of the whole landscape of online business and what different options are available. And affiliate marketing is one of their tracks that you can pursue. So definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you could, again, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications, and share this with, if you have any friends who've been looking into affiliate marketing or thinking about an online business, they might get some benefit from this. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.